Hey there, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the Metcon 4 XD Premium from Nike. I really love the design that Nike is coming out with. More of their sneakers have fun prints throughout, so it kind of, to me, it makes me want to buy them so that I'll go maybe exercise more. So good selling point, Nike. You've got this cool synthetic upper with a 3D print throughout. I just love yellow, obviously. I wear it a lot, I feel like. But it's such a cool color. Laces up nicely, has Flywire cables too, padding around the ankle as well with a breathable fabric lining. You've got a molded textile footbed that's got more fun print on it, which I love. It's flexible in the forefoot, very stable in the heel. So that way, when you're doing wall exercises and handstand pushups, you're gonna be nice and durable during all of that. You've got that thin web of rubber that stretches from the outsole, wraps the midfoot, so that way you've got great durability. And of course, again, the sticky rubber outsole is gonna give you traction and grip all day. Now going to the gym doesn't have to be a bummer because you're gonna have fun shoes on your feet. They're from Nike.